Welcome to Crack Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Phyrexia All Will Be One. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a Rebel token, followed by a island with Phyrexian text for our land. Then we have Slowbad Iron Goblin with the special ink treatment. And Slowbad is a 3/3 legendary creature for 2 and a red that reads tap, sacrifice an artifact, add an amount of red mana equal to the sacrificed artifact's mana value. Spend this mana only to cast artifact spells or activate abilities of artifacts. Now this could be interesting. Just being able to convert artifacts that may not really do anything for you anymore into extra mana to kind of get a new use out of them. It could be that you stole an artifact from an opponent, and then you can use this, sacrifice that, and just gain some extra mana off of it. This wouldn't let you sacrifice your treasures or clues or anything like that, since those do have a mana value of 0. But I like this, like I said, for stealing an opponent's artifact, sacrificing it, getting extra mana, and then, whether it turns into an artifact of mine or just being able to activate an ability of one of my artifacts, I think that could be really good. But also, just like if I have artifacts laying around that aren't online anymore for one reason or another, being able to turn them into something useful again by just getting mana off of them, I think that is really helpful. I like this, and this is certainly going to find play in the artifact deck that I'm going to be building now. Between the cards that we're pulling in this set and the ones that we were seeing in the Brothers War, there's absolutely an artifact deck in the works that I just need to kind of flesh out more. But I think this could be a nice piece of utility in it. Next we have Swooping Lookout, Churning Reservoir, Reject Imperfection, Ichor Synthesizer, Surgical Skull Bomb, Terramorphic Expanse, Zealot's Conviction, Cutthroat Centurion, Planar Disruption, Blightbelly Rat, Volshock Splitter, Maze's Mantle, and Phyrexian Atlas to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow to crack open another pack.